Zkouška mikrofonu.
Test, test, test. Hello, hello. Okay. Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Friends. Hello. Hello. Okay. Okay, in the meanwhile, Team Central, may you go there? May you get ready? You are the first one. Yeah, Team Central. Yes. Get your prototype ready.
Encourage them also to join this corridor, this balcony. Okay. Because it will also...
Okay. Yes. Okay. Hello? Okay. So, just one note for organizers. Okay, so please, all the participants of the team design, you may stay over here, which is the VIP inspection. And you can also go over there if you want to watch better. So for those who are in the second line, you may go to the 5th floor over there. I need... need some organizer. So. So, friends, can we start to take the position, please? Start to take the position. Participants, over there. Yeah. Can you please take your position? Yes. Okay. Wait. Don't start yet. Hello? The same thing. Okay. Can someone? Okay. So, friends, you will not be starting right now. Just wait a second. I will explain the general rules. Okay?
Sorry?
I will explain the general rules first. So, you made it the first slide.
Okay.
I will explain to you the first how it works. Okay? So, well, welcome to the first presentation of the team design of EBEC Final Brno 2017. To which we have the task partner is Skoda Automotive. You might have known Skoda through the gelato, the ice cream over there, or through the caps and the sunglasses. But Skoda also, especially for those who are not from the team design task, who are watching this presentation, Skoda is a task partner for team design. And today we are having a really interesting task that I will explain briefly so that everybody is on the same page and you can follow properly, and you can also see the results of your fellow students that are coming from 15 nations. So, briefly, the task consists of, if you might see, this is kind of a factory, even if it doesn't seem like though. We have a crocodile over there, but it is not in the factory. The task consists of creating a cart, a vehicle, you might see a vehicle over there, that will help transporting some boxes from a certain place to the other, and it needs to go successfully to the end. We will have to see that there are some obstacles over there. You need, as a participant, you need to make the maneuvers to avoid all the obstacles, and you need to transport, to load the boxes and unload them to the specified places. You already know how to do that, but we will make a very, very quick simulation. We will go through the whole process. So basically, your cart needs to get inside the factory. As you may see, you are starting with EBEC inside the factory, and you need to carry this box. And then you need to place the box over this area, which is the deposit area. And you need also to carry that box and deposit it in the same area. You might carry them at the same time, or you may carry one at once, one at a time. Obviously, if you manage to carry both of them at the same time, it means that it's a more elaborate prototype. Once you have done that, you go to the section 3. This is section 1, section 3, 2, section 3, as provided in the handout. And you get the last box, and you get outside of the factory. And probably you will be working in Skoda if you manage to do that. So, we will have here the first team that will be starting, Central. Let me explain to you a few rules about the presentation. Basically, you have 2 minutes or less, as you prefer, but maximum 2 minutes to present yourself, to present your team and the work you have done. And after that, we will go through 4 minutes of presentation, 4 minutes of real test. So, maximum 4 minutes, you will start managing your prototype, and maximum 2 people per team will move the prototype. In this case, probably just one person will be managing the joystick, but you are allowed to be 2 people together if you have more than one control system. And you are allowed, as you see, to go over the factory. Doesn't seem real, but yeah, you can do it. You have maximum 4 minutes, and evaluation will be given to whether you can or not carry the box, whether you can or not place it in the specified place, whether you can or not make maneuvers, and if you finish in time. You need to finish before 4 minutes. At 4 minutes, if you exceed 4 minutes, you need to stop. You cannot continue anymore, and the test is done over there. After that, we will go through 4 minutes of questions from the jury, and maybe they can ask you for further elaboration. That being said, we are having here the first team that will be making the presentation, which is Team Central. Please welcome Team Central. Please welcome Team Central. So, right now, don't be shy, come on. Yes.
Sorry. And the box should be hooked here, so we don't have any large vehicle here, and it's quite easy. And then we have the moving mechanism basically, and we had a bit problem there because we blowed up the motor shield, so only one motor is driven now, and it's not enough to move the car actually. Okay, thank you for your attention.
Okay. So thank you for the presentation. Now you have to do the actual test. So you have to check the time over there. You have 4 minutes. Okay, so you burned the DC motor. Okay. So basically your time right now, since you will not make any practical demonstration, so we may have questions from the jury that may ask more elaborate questions about your prototype.
So I wonder, why did you blow up your motor? Why did you do this? Yeah, why? And you used DC motor or microstep motor? Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
So thank you, Team Central. Unfortunately, you couldn't make the physical demonstration. We are sure that it could have been very interesting to see it. Thank you very much, and hopefully it will be better. So thank you. So now, while Team Central goes, exactly you will do the same thing. They go and place it in the same place again, and the next team should get ready. So the next team, which is Team Balkan, and after that we have Team Nordic, so you may get ready after them. And Team Balkan. Anyway, Team Central couldn't manage to show the demonstration, but you as students can always approach them and discuss with them what did they do in the past 2 days of intense work, and what are the methods that they use. And I believe it was interesting. So to make the first transitions, transitions faster, every time a team starts to make the presentation, and probably after they make the test, the team after should go during the question should go and get their prototype ready in order to save time. Thank you. Okay, while they are getting ready, I will tell you a few more rules about the actual test that could happen to some of you. So, while you are managing your cart, if you manage to load a box and then that box falls off your cart, you lose the points unless you get it back again with your cart. But you may decide to ignore it. You may decide to ignore it if you cannot take it and go for the next box. So the mission is to take the box, obviously, and carry it and unload it in the specified area safely. And another thing, if your cart gets off the track, or if your cart falls off, you need to get it back and put it at the beginning. So you cannot just put it back and start from the same position. You need to go to the last checkpoint, which is for section 1 and section 2, the starting point, the EBEC logo. And for section 3, if you are managing in here, you just go back to the checkpoint, which is the white and blue area. I will say one more time the order of all the teams, so you may keep them in mind. We have, after Balkans, we have Nordic, then Turkey, Alpi Adria, Spain, France, Italy, Greece, Baltic, Romania, and Republic of Moldova. This is just one team. Portugal, Ukraine, Poland, and then Benelux. So, Team Balkan, those who want to make the presentation, can you please come to this place? Around. For the Nordic team, if your prototype needs more than 2 minutes to get ready, please get ready now.
Hi everyone, we are a team from Podgorica, and the guy working there is Jan. This is Milic, Stefan, and my name is Mitch. Like the team before us, we blew out our motor driver this morning. Because of that, we had to use some other techniques to move our vehicle. So this is basically one forklift, but with mechanism on the side. So, Stefan, would you continue?
Since we had that electronics problem, we had to rebuild and redesign our vehicle, and we made it without Arduino. So it consists of two power supplies. We divided the one that you gave us. So first power supplies drives the car, and the second one pulls the lift upwards. And the mechanism that picks up the box is basic lift, so it connects behind the box and pulls it upward, and the design of the box stops it from falling down. So
So like, you know, all people that use Arduino know that big problem with using DC motors is to reverse the way of DC motor, and for that is used like motor driver. But since we blew that out, we needed to use something else, and those who work with electrotechnics know for the internal pair, which we used to make this motor pull axle up and down.
Thank you, Mitch. Now you may start the practical test. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. You cannot touch the prototype during your presentation?
but we can put it back here and then try again, like restart.
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
It would be considered as you flipped off here. Continue. Yes, you can. Continue.
Okay, okay.
Okay, apparently they have a problem in the steering system. Does the jury agree that they can try the lifting system? Without? Okay, you make it.
Yeah, so should I explain or? Yeah. Well, while approaching this box, we have that mechanism that lifts up the forks, and then the forks attach to the box. What's it? No. So yeah, I guess that's. So yeah, the vehicle approaches and pushes the box a bit, and then it catches up. So the plate behind that red Merkur part pulls it horizontally, keeps it horizontally, and then it should fit nicely to that box, but it should turn first, so yeah. And we can also put it back down. So that's it.
That's it. Thank you, team. Welcome.
Okay.
Does the jury have any questions before? Okay. Can you move there? Does the jury have any questions to Team Balkan?
Yeah, I would like to ask you, what was your strategy when you want to unload the container on the unload places? Because you know you have to completely flip your car at the unload place because your load lifting machine is on the right side only. Okay. Thanks.
Thank you, Team Balkan, once more. And now, please welcome Team Nordic.
Thank you very much. Are we free to start? Excuse me, are we free to start? Yes.
So now you may start.
So, are we free to start?
Yes.
Yes. So good afternoon, guys. Silencio. Good afternoon, guys. My name is Alexander. This is Linus, Samuel, and Ludwig. So we're design boys from Nordic region. So this is our creation. It's the Mini Boy, and it's basically an adapted forklift, more specified to suit this course. So just to talk a briefly bit about it, the chassis is entirely 3D printed to house all the electronics as good as possible, and also the mounts for the forklift. And we also made special brackets to really suit these kind of boxes, so we can lift them more efficiently. Yeah. And also, as Ludwig here told me, we tried to optimize the design as good as possible to be fast and rapid in 3D printing. So without further ado, I suggest we get started.
So just 1 second to get the timer ready. In the meanwhile, Team Turkey, please you go and get ready. Whenever you are ready, let me know. Ready?